Changing worn parts in a milking parlour and maintaining your clusters is a long and tiring process which can take you a long time. Cluster exchange is a simple, no-hassle service which saves you time and money.
Yes, definitely with the cluster exchange it is so much easier to change the clusters. Before my husband used to do it and he'd spend quite a long time doing it, but now I can do it myself in about 20 minutes.
Ease of management and ease of workload is tremendous.
It's a really good system and the simplicity of it is incredible.
So how does it work? You receive brand new clusters including liners, shells, weights, pulse tubes and claw. You then fit the new clusters and replace the used clusters in the box provided. You then call us to arrange collection. We handle all transport arrangements. When we receive the dirty clusters, we disassemble them ready for the cleaning process. We inspect all liners to assess the washed conditions and issue a liner scoring report. This allows you to monitor the efficiency of your wash system. Then the components run through a series of acid and alkali washes to remove butterfat and calcium iron oxide. They are then dishwasher sanitized to remove all bacteria. Cleaned components are then placed into stock. When the next change is due, we automatically send the full clusters with clean and refurbished equipment with new liners and pulse tubes. It's so simple.
Cluster exchange is a great invention. Whoever thought of this is brilliant. It's something we all neglect doing is changing your clusters and your liners regular. I got on this 7 years ago, and ever since I've been on it, every 3 months our clusters are exchanged. They turn up on the farm in a box. We could take them into the parlour. We exchange the old ones for the new ones. It takes no more than 20 minutes and the job is done.
Since we was on the cluster exchange scheme, we've been on the scheme now for sort of many years. It has changed a huge amount of time, because it's not just a question of changing the liners, but also it comes ready to go. The whole just sort of plug in and go.
The liner scoring, when they come back, we can check to see if there is a problem with any of our wash units, and obviously you can work out the individual wash unit that is causing a problem.
Since we joined milkrite, the milkrite liners, the cluster exchange program has been really good for us. Number one, it sanitizes. When they take it, once a month they take it and they sanitize the whole claw. They bring us back all new liners, new cups, new hoses, and it's a really good system. And the simplicity of it is incredible.
On the cluster exchange warranty scheme, we have actually sort of phoned up when we've had bits sort of broken and split, and they have been replaced. So we had no sort of problem with that. Never had to wait for bits to turn up.
I think regarding the cluster exchange, there's the whole package that you're actually paying for, and therefore it makes it beneficial because it makes it simple.
Cluster exchange is part of the Milkrite Elite service. Milkrite Experts team will guide you through the perfect setup of your milking process with optimized settings customized for your herd and parlour conditions through a dynamic measuring process.